Hello, design lovers! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform everyday spaces into extraordinary havens. Today, we're diving into something truly special, or complete farmhouse Halloween makeover that balances cozy neutrals with just the right amount of spooky charm. If you love the warmth of farmhouse style, but want to celebrate the season, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll walk through every room, sharing practical tips and beautiful ideas you can recreate at home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite Halloween color palette. We'd love to hear from you. Let's start where first impressions happen: your farmhouse exterior. The key to Halloween curb appeal is maintaining that classic farmhouse charm while adding seasonal touches. Consider keeping your exterior palette neutral with white or cream siding. Then introduce Halloween through natural elements like corn stalks bundled beside your door, hay bales stacked near the porch, and vintage lanterns filled with battery-operated candles. A simple wreath made from dried wheat, miniature pumpkins, and black ribbon creates instant farmhouse Halloween magic. The beauty of this approach is its subtlety. It whispers Halloween rather than shouts it, perfectly embodying the effortless farmhouse aesthetic we all adore. Your entryway is the transition space between outside and in, making it perfect for setting your Halloween farmhouse theme. Start with a vintage-inspired coat rack adorned with a black felt hat and a simple autumn garland. Place a rustic wooden bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Then add cream-colored cushions with subtle plaid or herringbone patterns. Hang a distressed wooden mirror above a narrow console table where you can display small white pumpkins and a wooden ball for keys. Layer a jute doormat with a smaller printed mat featuring subtle Halloween motifs. This layered approach creates depth while maintaining functionality essential for busy family homes. The living room is where farmhouse meets Halloween in the most beautiful balance. Keep your foundational pieces neutral. Think a linen or cream slip covered sofa, distressed wood coffee table, and soft area rugs in natural fibers. This neutral base allows your Halloween decor to shine without overwhelming the space. The concept here is layering, a fundamental principle in interior design where you build visual interest through textures and tones rather than bold colors. Your neutral furniture creates what designers call a forever backdrop, pieces that work year-round, while seasonal accessories do the decorating heavy lifting. This approach is both budget-friendly and beautifully sustainable. Now for the magic bringing Halloween into your neutral living room. Drape a chunky knit throw in charcoal gray or burnt orange over your sofa arm. Swap regular pillows for ones with seasonal patterns like buffalo check in black and cream, subtle striped ticking, or even pillows with embroidered boo in understated fonts. On your coffee table, create a centerpiece using a wooden dough ball filled with mixed-size white and cream pumpkins, eucalyptus sprigs, and black taper candles in brass holders. The key is maintaining restraint. Farmhouse style celebrates simplicity, so edit ruthlessly. Less truly is more when you want sophistication over spectacle. Window treatments in farmhouse Halloween design should enhance natural light while adding seasonal softness. Keep your existing linen or cotton curtains, but consider adding decorative touches like a garland drape across the curtain rod featuring dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and black ribbon. If you're feeling creative, tie back curtains with jute rope adorned with small fabric pumpkins. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its connection to nature and handmade elements. These simple additions transform standard windows into seasonal focal points without requiring new purchases. Remember, farmhouse style embraces imperfection. Your handmade touches don't need to be perfect to be beautiful and impactful. Your farmhouse dining room deserves Halloween treatment that works for everyday meals and special gatherings alike. Start with your dining table as the canvas. A table runner in natural linen provides the perfect base for a centerpiece featuring varied height candlesticks in black and brass, interspersed with small white pumpkins and greenery like sage or eucalyptus. Consider mixing vintage and new pieces, perhaps grandmother's silver candlesticks, alongside modern ceramic pumpkins. This high-low mixing is quintessential farmhouse style. Above the table, consider hanging a simple garland from your chandelier or light fixture, keeping it subtle enough not to obstruct conversation or views across the table. Transform your everyday table settings with simple Halloween touches that feel farmhouse fresh. Use your regular white or cream dishes as the base, then add texture with woven placemats and natural fibers or wood chargers beneath each plate. Fold black or charcoal napkins simply and tie with jute twine, tucking in a sprig of dried wheat or a small decorative pumpkin pick. For a personal touch, create place cards using craft paper tags with guests' names written in white ink. The farmhouse approach to entertaining emphasizes warmth and welcome over formality. These thoughtful details show care without creating fussiness, making guests feel special while maintaining the relaxed, gather around the table atmosphere. The kitchen is the heart of farmhouse living, and Halloween styling here should be both beautiful and functional. Keep countertops relatively clear. Remember, farmhouse design prioritizes function, but designate one area for seasonal display. A vintage wooden tray can crawl white ceramic pumpkins, a small chalkboard with a Halloween message, and a mason jar filled with black and white striped paper straws. Near your coffee station, add a small sign with seasonal wording in simple typography. The goal is creating moments of delight without sacrificing workspace. Farmhouse kitchens celebrate the beauty of everyday objects, so even your functional items can contribute to your aesthetic. Farmhouse kitchens typically feature either open shelving or glass front cabinets, perfect for displaying seasonal pieces. Swap out a few everyday items for Halloween touches: white pumpkins on open shelves between stacks of dishes, or vintage orange Pyrex displayed prominently. For closed cabinets, consider adding a simple garland across the top or small wreaths hung from knobs. Your stainless steel appliances can coordinate with the theme through magnetic accessories or simply by keeping a seasonal kitchen towel drape over the refrigerator handle. Small touches near your coffee machine, perhaps a canister labeled, which is brew filled with coffee beans, add personality without cluttering your workspace. The family room should feel like a warm embrace, especially during Halloween season. This is where comfort meets style in the most livable way. Your existing sofa and seating stay put, but pile on the cozy with throws in autumn colors. Think rust, charcoal, cream, and soft black. Add extra floor pillows and coordinating patterns for casual seating during movie nights. The area around your flat screen TV gets subtle seasonal treatment, perhaps a garland along the media console featuring pinnacones, small pumpkins, and battery-operated fairy lights for evening ambience. This room should invite lingering, so prioritize comfort and warmth while keeping Halloween touches understated and sophisticated. Your farmhouse home office space deserves Halloween style that maintains professionalism while celebrating the season. On your desk, a small vintage radio adds farmhouse character year-round, but for Halloween, surround it with a mini vignette featuring a small white pumpkin, a brass desk clock, and perhaps a vintage-inspired desk calendar. Keep a black or charcoal desk pad underneath to ground the space. If you have shelving, integrate small seasonal pieces between books, tiny white ceramic houses, a small black cat figurine, or autumn-themed coasters displayed as art. The key is maintaining functionality while adding personality. Your workspace should inspire productivity while bringing seasonal joy to your daily tasks. Every farmhouse deserves a reading nook, and Halloween makes it even cozier. Whether it's a window seat, a corner chair, or a small bench, the space should invite you to curl up with a good book. Layer your seating with a sheepskin throw or chunky knit blanket in seasonal colors. Add pillows with subtle Halloween patterns or autumn hues. Position a small side table nearby to hold a vintage-style lamp, a stack of fall-themed books with beautiful covers display outward, and a candle in a warm scent like cinnamon or apple. The lighting here is crucially aimed for soft, warm illumination that creates ambience. This personal retreat celebrates the Higgins-inspired aspect of farmhouse living. Your farmhouse bedroom should be a peaceful sanctuary even during Halloween. The approach here is definitely more subtle than common areas. Keep your bedding primarily neutral white or cream duvet with natural linen sheets, but introduce season through accent pillows and a throw blanket at the foot of the bed in deep charcoal or rust. On your nightstand, a small white pumpkin, a brass candlestick, and perhaps a vintage-inspired Halloween children's book as decor adds just enough seasonal recognition. The goal is creating restfulness rather than excitement in this space. Farmhouse bedrooms prioritize serenity and simplicity, so your Halloween touches should whisper rather than announce themselves. Farmhouse bathrooms embrace simplicity and cleanliness, making Halloween styling here beautifully minimal. Near your waist-to-floor sink display a small wooden tray with rolled hand towels in charcoal or cream tied with black ribbon, alongside a white ceramic pumpkin soap dispenser. Swap your regular bath mat for one in a neutral autumn color. In the shower area, keep things practical, but consider autumn-scented products in attractive packaging displayed on open shelving. A small wreath hung on the mirror or a single stem of dried wheat in a vintage bottle adds farmhouse charm. The bathroom shouldn't feel costume-like. Instead, these subtle touches extend your whole house aesthetic into every corner. The farmhouse garage often serves as a mudroom and storage area, but it deserves Halloween attention too. This utilitarian space benefits from well-mounted organization hooks for coats and bags adorned with a simple black and white banner overhead. A bench with cubbies underneath can hold seasonal shoes and bags, with small pumpkins displayed on top alongside vintage lanterns. If you have open shelving, range autumn-themed storage baskets labeled with craft paper tags. Even your garage door can get a small wreath. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates honest utility, so this space should function beautifully while looking intentionally styled. Organization itself becomes decoration when done thoughtfully. Your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of indoor living during pleasant autumn weather. Range outdoor furniture with plaid blankets drape over chairs for cool evenings. Create a centerpiece for your patio table using a galvanized metal tray filled with mixed pumpkins, pinnacones, and pillar candles and hurricane lanterns for wind protection. String Edison bulb lights overhead if possible. They provide warm illumination with farmhouse character. Position hay bales as extra seating, topped with outdoor cushions and weather-resistant fabrics. Add planted mums in galvanized buckets around the space. This outdoor room should invite gathering and celebrating the beautiful autumn season with family and friends. Now that we've toured every space, let's talk about cohesion, how to make your whole home feel intentionally designed rather than randomly decorated. The secret is repeating elements throughout your home. Use the same color palette everywhere, neutrals with touches of black, cream, rust, and natural wood tones. Repeat materials like wood, galvanized metal, and natural fibers. Use similar styles of pumpkins throughout, perhaps all white ceramic or all real heirloom varieties. This repetition creates visual harmony and makes your home feel collected over time rather than decorated in a single shopping trip. Farmhouse style celebrates authenticity and lived-in comfort, so embrace pieces with history and meaning. Let me share some insider tips for achieving this look beautifully. First, shop your home before buying anything new. You likely have neutral pieces that work perfectly. Second, invest in quality neutrals that work year-round, then add inexpensive seasonal touches. Third, embrace DIY projects like painting dollar store pumpkins with chalk paint or creating your own garlands. Fourth, edit ruthlessly when in doubt. Remove one item. Fifth, vary heights in your displays for visual interest. Finally, don't forget lighting warm. Soft lighting makes everything feel cozier and more farmhouse appropriate. These principles apply beyond Halloween to any seasonal decorating you tackle throughout the year. Halloween decorating shouldn't feel like a one-day marathon. Pace yourself by decorating in stages, starting with outdoor spaces, then common areas, and finally private spaces. Begin with larger foundational pieces, then add smaller accessories as the season progresses. This approach keeps decorating manageable and lets you enjoy the process rather than feeling overwhelmed. Keep decorations accessible and clearly labeled. Storage farmhouse style often uses baskets and vintage suitcases for attractive storage that can stay visible. As Halloween pauses, you can easily transition to Thanksgiving by simply removing overtly Halloween items while keeping autumn elements like pumpkins, wheat, and warm textiles. This flexibility makes seasonal decorating sustainable and enjoyable. We've journeyed through every corner of your farmhouse, transforming it into a Halloween heaven that never sacrifices warmth and comfort. The beauty of this approach is its versatility. You can dial the Halloween elements up or down based on your personal style. Remember, farmhouse design isn't about perfection. It's about creating a home that reflects your life and welcomes others authentically. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your own farmhouse Halloween makeover. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and comment below sharing which space you'll decorate first. Happy decorating, and here's to creating a home you absolutely love.